Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's keep up with the analysis of the gold market, and here is actually very interesting events is going on. So I'm speaking not even about the recent CPI report, it is everything clear with it. That's really have brought some significant positive impulse to the bulls, to overall performance on the markets. So we think that it's not everything is clear as markets are treated right now. It's just because, as we explained last week, the base of the comparison of the inflation will change as soon as in August and September, and it's a really high probability that we could get the change of the direction of the CPI indicator. But now we are talking not about this moment. Just recall what we talked about upside bounce from the strong confidence support on gold market. Recall how it has started. As we talked about this 2 weeks ago, it was first very anemic and slow performance, and it was absolutely not clear how market could really show some big pattern, because we said it should be some kind of the nested dough. First of all, it will be minor on intraday charts, then we come to the 4-hour time frame chart, head and shoulders. Take a look right there, and it almost has completed the XOP. It's moving higher. And based on the COP that we've got, CPI that we've got, take a look. We even could speak right now about the larger head and shoulders. So our third head and shoulders, shoulder, head. This might be shoulder around 1980. Sorry, neck on around 1980, and then shoulder, and more expanded upper action. And with this CPI that we have in the background, why not? Actually, it is possible. So divergence, by the way, that we have suggests that the market should take out this top, so top between two bottoms of the divergence. And with this data that we have, especially if within the couple of weeks Fed Reserve will confirm what market really thinks right now, that's maybe, as Bank of America told yesterday, that's maybe the final rate change from the Fed. Well, it might be additional positive impulse, and everything is possible. So meantime, on the lower time frame, let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. Our OP has been exceeded, so market not just completed 1945 area right there, right there, but even it's moving higher. And nearest target stands at the XOP 1970. It's really close right now. Overall speed here is rather fast, and so you can see a fast acceleration, so it means that market should reach this level. On the lower time frame, we have narrow standing XOP with another minor ABCD, which is around 1964, and that's the reason why we said yesterday free drive is great stuff, but use the common sense. If CPI will be weak, do not take the short position, because external factor could really destroy the technical background. It always happens when you're trying to trade around important data release. What we're gonna do now? So market still stands around the confidence that we have discussed. So we said take a look, this is relatively wide area, 1949, 1963. Market right now is going around higher level. If even it will complete 1970 right there, it will not be something outstanding, so it means that market still could show the reaction down here. We will see. But if you would like to take the short position, you have to wait at least for these 2 moments, completion of the XOP here, and automatically this XOP also will be complete. Once this target will be completed, your next step is to watch for bearish minor bearish patterns. If we will see something, as market indeed starts the bearish reaction, it will be possible to consider taking the scalp short position. So that's the strategy for those of you who would like to make some scalp short trades, because otherwise it is not really safe to sell gold blindly, because market is not there, but it stands somewhere at the point of the confidence area. moment of the breakout. So in the case of the breakouts, it will be really painful if you take blindly the short position here. So we need the confirmation first. Speaking about the bullish position, if you still hold it, well, you could try to catch these two targets, but it makes sense to close and to take profit, at least from your particular position, when the market hits the XOP right there. Because as more tighter situation becomes, market starts struggling with the fib levels and coming to the XOPs. This is it's more pressure on the market exists, and from that standpoint it would be better to close position also gradually. So as market hits the first target, take some part of the profit, hits the second one, take the rest. So this is just usually brings better result. But in general, that's all. So let's keep watching for reaction, and once reaction will happen, we will turn our attention to the larger pattern on the daily chart. So maybe market will be able to form even larger daily reverse hand and shoulders pattern as well.